This meeting is being recorded.
So we will be discussing from the website of Motor Vehicle Department India, what are the standard visual standards criteria for driving. They classify the vehicles into two categories. Category 1 is a non-transport vehicle, which includes motorcycles, light motor vehicles, and vehicles not fitting the criteria for Category 2. Category 2 is a transport vehicle.
This meeting is being recorded.
Transport vehicles include heavy motor vehicles, commercial passenger carrying vehicles like buses and goods carriers, and any category of the vehicles requiring issuance of the badge. The visual acuity. Visual acuity for category 1 unaided should be binocular unaided visual acuity of 360 or better. And corrected visual acuity for category 1 is worse eye corrected visual acuity of 660 or better. In category 2, that worse eye corrected visual acuity should be 612 or better. Then the visual acuity criteria for binocular correction is for category 1 vehicles, the binocular with glass correction, the candidate should be able to read 612 or better. And in category 2, with glass correction, the candidate should be able to read 69 or better. The second criteria is night blindness. Presence of night blindness is not acceptable for both the category 1 and category 2, and this being the symptom recorded as reported by the patient. Manifest squint. Squint with visual acuity as in criteria 1 is acceptable for category 1 vehicles, but for category 2, any squint is unacceptable. Field of vision. Binocular field is checked by confrontation method. And in category 1, horizontal field of vision of 120 degrees and vertical of 40 degrees is acceptable. For category 2 vehicles, horizontal field of vision of 180 degrees and vertical of 40 degrees is acceptable. Any visual field less than this on the confrontation method should be supplemented with the visual field charting. Fundus examination. Undilated fundus examination, unless otherwise indicated, is to be recorded as WNL, that is within normal limits, or any specific pathology noted. Any pathology that can affect night vision field acuity should be investigated and the clinician should decide on the fitness. Color vision problems by itself are not impediment to the driving problem. So these are the criteria for which certificate can be issued by the ophthalmologist with a registered qualification, and the seal should contain name, qualification, and registration number of the ophthalmologist.